Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today I will show and share what's inside one-stop video processing software. So let's begin. First, open any web browser and go to this website videoproc.com. I've given below this website link in the video description also, so you can click on it also in the video descriptions to access the website. So on logging in the website, you can see its web page. So what you will see here, you will get the details about the software, what you can do, what you will be going to get inside the software, and what are the benefits of using this software. So if you're using a Windows or Macintosh computers, you can click on this free download options to download it. And if you want the pro version, you can click on the buy now to purchase the full version of this software. So as I have already downloaded and installed on my Windows PC, so I'm not going to do it anymore. And if you have not downloaded it, then please click on the pre-download firstly to try if it meets your necessity of editing your videos or anything related to your videos. So once you download and install, open or run the VideoProc software. As you can see, its user interface of the software. Here you can see a video, DVD, downloader, and a recorder. So we'll not discuss much about this DVD, downloader, or recorder. We'll discuss more about this video. Just click on it and we'll find out what's inside it. So here what you can do is you can convert any videos on its video segment. You can see the target formats also depending upon your needs on different videos, and even you can edit personally, resizing your videos. And what's more, we are going to get, like here you can see in the bottom, like the video, you can get lots of options. You can get a device related to device like iPhone, Androids, Samsungs, Mi phones, everything. Those phones which supported different video formats. Also you can get the ready-made presets. Even you can convert the musics, letting depend upon your needs. Lastly, we will see here the toolbox, which is very important, and the pro version level you will find on under the toolbox option. So what you will get here is the option is the DSAC. When you record something related to any device, whether in the mobile or any like the sports camera like GoPro or any other sports camera or related to your video cameras, so you can slow down or remove lots of your video sagginess using these functions. You can denoise when you see a lots of noises under your videos. You can denoise, you can merge the video, you can trim, split, you can rotate the video. Sometimes what happens when we start to record the video frame size turns up and downs, or sometimes what happens it's in the downward section. So to correct it, you can use these rotate functions. You can use the mirror and flip to showcase the mirror effect of your video. You can use the GIF, you can use a snapshot, you can use this M3U8 versions, and you can use a 3D to 2D conversion. So here are lots of functions that you might be needing in your day-to-day life while you are editing a video. So it will be very useful if you use this software to convert or any other editing related to your videos. And most important thing of this software is that it uses the hardware acceleration engines. That's like you can see here my Windows PC, which is having the hardware acceleration engine. So we'll see it will auto detect what hardwares your computer is using. So here I am using an Intel processor. So what it supports, like encoder processing, decoder. So the best portions it's already processed itself while you install this software for the first time. So it is auto detect functions that will detect your hardware features. If you have a NVIDIA graphics card, it will auto detect the NVIDIA also, and if you're using an AMD processor, then it will detect automatically the AMD processing units. So I'll not show much more about the conversion, as I just want to discuss about this softwares what you will be going to get. And moreover, by going back, you can see here the DVD options. Under the DVD options also you will get what you can do. You can convert in different formats, similarly like you can see in the video formats. And what you can do with the downloader, you can download the videos, everything using the website links. And lastly, you can see a recorder. You can record screens related to your, you can record your voice even, like most of the popular screen recorders. So in day-to-day life, the software is not only for professionals but for the beginners also who don't know much about video editing, will be very much helpful to everyone. So I hope this review helps you a lot of knowing what this one-stop video processing softwares can provide us. So what are you waiting for? Click on the download link, install it and try yourself. I hope you find it useful, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.